Greetings to all. In this video, we are going to see about correlation and also Karl Pearson correlation coefficient. Let me start. I'll start with a small introduction. Correlation is nothing but its relationship between two variables and also Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. It is otherwise called as product moment correlation coefficient and it is denoted by R. And this is the formula explanation. This is the covariance between two variables divided by the product of their standard deviation. Yeah, this is the formula. N into summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by root of n into summation x square minus summation x the whole square into root of n into summation y square minus summation y the whole square, which is equal to r. So this is the denotation of Karl Pearson correlation coefficient. N is nothing but its total number of items and remaining terms is sum of the multiplication of x and y terms and sum of x terms and sum of y terms, and this is the squaring of x terms and this is the squaring of y terms. Okay, we'll see some properties. The first important property is the coefficient of correlation value is always lie between -1 to +1, and it is very important. And if the R value is exactly +1, then that is called perfect positive correlation. And if R equal to -1, then that is called perfect negative correlation. If R equal to 0, then there is a no relationship between the variables, means there is no correlation exists in that two variables. Now let's move to the problem. Yeah. Okay. So this is the problem. They are giving compute the coefficient of correlation between X advertisement and expenditure Y. They are giving the two datas, X values and Y values. Now we have to find the coefficient of correlation between X is nothing but its advertisement and Y the otherwise called as expenditure for this particular problem. So I'll explain the problem now. Okay, this is your X value and this is your Y value. Now we have to find the xy terms. It's nothing but multiplication of x and y. So 10 into 88 is 880. And now we have to find x square is nothing but square of x. So 10 square is 100. And y square na 88 square. So 88 square is 7,744. Okay, like this you have to find for all these values from 12 to 7. From 12 to 7 you have to find xy, x square, then y square. Okay, at last what we have to do is we have to add the remaining things. It's nothing but we have to add x terms, that is 10 plus 12 plus 18 plus 8 plus 13 plus 20 plus 22 plus 15 plus 5 plus 7. So our answer is 140. Like this you have to add all these terms, y terms, then xy terms, then x square terms, then y square terms. Will get the value. Summation y is 900, summation xy is some value, and summation x square is 2224, and summation y square is 81,130. Okay, now moving to the formula. Now we are substituting the formula, that is n is otherwise called as total number of items. So here the total number is, by counting x value 1 2 3, it's 6 and 9 and 10. So n value is 10. Okay, and summation xy value is 12,718, and summation x is 140, and summation y is 900. Then here n is again 10. Okay, summation x square is 2,224, and summation x the whole square is 140 the whole square, and summation y square is 81,130, and summation y the whole square is 900. By calculating these values, I'll get R as 0.6374. Okay, if R equal to exactly +1 na perfect positive correlation, -1 is perfect negative correlation, and correlation values always lies between -1 to +1. So our answer is 0.6374. Obviously, these two variables has a relation. Okay, okay, done. Moving to the next problem. Find the correlation between X and Y. Okay, now I'll write and show you. Okay, done. I'll write and show you the problem. Okay, moving to the whiteboard. Yes, we have some X values. Find the correlation between X and Y. Okay, X and Y. X values 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Y values 20, 18, 16, 14, 12. Okay. Now we have to find remaining terms like xy, then x square, then y square. Okay. Okay. Let's see step by step. Now we have to find xy. Okay. 2 into 20 is 40, and 4 into 18 is 72. 6 into 16 is 96, and 8 into 14 is 112, and 10 into 12 is 120. Okay. Similarly, you have to find x square. It's nothing but squaring of x numbers. That is 2 twos are 4, and 4 fours are 16, 6 six are 36, and 8 eights are 64, and 10 tens are 100. Okay. Now, we have to find y square. That is 20 square is 400, and 18 square is 324. 16 square is 256. 14 square is 196. And 12 square is 144. Okay. Now adding all these things, summation x, summation y, summation xy, summation x square, and summation y square. Okay. By adding all these values, we'll get summation x is 30 and summation y is 80. Okay. Summation xy is 440. Okay. Summation x square is 220, and summation y square is 1320. Okay. And n value is total number of things, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N value is 5. Okay. Now we'll substitute the formula. You all know the formula, that is where r equal to n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by root of n into summation x square minus summation xt whole square and into root of n into summation y square minus summation y the whole square. That's it. Okay, we'll substitute every terms where r equal to n is 5 and summation xy is 440 minus summation x value is 30 and summation y value is 80 divided by root of n value is 5 and summation x square is 220 minus summation x is 30 the whole square and here n value is 5 summation y square is 1320 minus summation y the whole square is 80 the whole square. Yes, by solving all these values the numerator value is 2200 minus 2400 and the denominator value is root of 200. Again I'll get root of 200 by calculating these values. Next, in numerator I'll get 2200 minus 2400. It is minus 200 divided by the square root of 200 is 14.14. Again I'll get the same thing for the square root of 200. Okay, so at last I'll get minus 200 divided by 200. By cancelling numerator and denominator, I'll get minus 1, where r equal to minus 1. So it shows this is the perfect negative correlation. Okay, I hope you all are clear with the concept. Thank you.